Hey, what's up, guys? How are you doing today? Yeah, in this video, we're gonna be discussing about how to make money with Canva using Fiverr. So, I would like to show you what Canva is all about and the kind of designs you can actually make using the Canva platform. So, here in this page, on the Canva place websites. So this is their home page, and I'd like to show you what Canva is all about. So you can see what Canva is all about here. So empowering the world to design. So they actually launched in the year 2013. So Canva is an online design and publishing tools with a mission to empower everyone in the world to design anything and publish anywhere. So let's say, for instance, now all these design here in Canva are designed by some people, so and everything can be edited, so you can edit it to your own taste and publish it on or sell it on Fiverr. So I would like to show you some niches who are actually using this Canva to make up their designs and then sell it on Fiverr marketplace. So I would like to show you some niches here on Fiverr, so you will definitely see what I'm actually talking about. So let's check on Instagram posts. So here on Instagram posts, you can see here, let's check on this. I'll design Canva Instagram post templates. So you might be imagine, like, can I actually design something like this using the Canva platform? And I'll definitely tell you that of course yes, you can design something more appealing than this. So you can see all these type of designs, they are all made through Canva platform. So you can see all the designs here. So these are the designs that this seller are actually selling on the Fiverr marketplace. So you can see here 6 custom editable Canva Instagram or Facebook templates. So that's for 24 or 45 bucks. So here is 55 bucks, then here 65 bucks. So you can see here on this gig, and this seller is having like 200 reviews on this gig. And you know, there are some buyers that would like to not drop a review about their project, and yet this seller still have an order in queue, which is he or she is working on. Okay, she is working on. So I like to check some other posts as well, so you can actually understand and see how much you can actually make using the Canva platform to sell a picture or a design on Fiverr marketplace. So with all these keywords here, so you see here this infographic design, you can actually make this kind of designs on Canva. So I like to check and then move on to Canva, so that I'll be able to show you more features and categories, so you can see what you can actually design using the Canva platform. So you can see all this design here. I will show you everything on Canva, sorry. You can see everything here. Everything can be made on Canva. So you can see everything here. So let's now go to, although it's not that only Instagram something or infographics design you can actually do, there are a lot of design you can actually design using the Canva. So maybe logo designs, presentation, product infographics, social media designs, be it anything like design. So of course Canva got you covered. So now let's check on the categories, so you can see what I'm actually talking about. So you can see here, this is Instagram post category. You can see there are thousands of designs in which you can just pick up and edit to your own taste. And if you don't have any idea on how to design using Canva, so you can actually check on Udemy or on YouTube on how to make use of Canva to design a logo, presentation or infographics. So there are bunches of videos you see online there so you can watch and get started on Fiverr or on Canva. So here we have a presentation. So you can see here we have presentation here. This is logo. We have presentation here. We have poster here. So you can see there are a lot of different designs here. We have flyer as well. So Facebook post, YouTube thumbnail, cards, Facebook cover, social media, videos as well. So probably you want to offer something like intro on Fiverr, so you can just come up here and edit to your own taste, then you start selling on Fiverr. So this is also animated social media designs in which you can just edit and give to someone that actually buy the kind of design from you. So this is A4 document in which you can actually edit on your own. And I want you to know that all these things are for free users on Canva, so you don't need to pay for any money, or you don't need to pay any money so before you can have access to all these designs. Although if you have a pro account on Canva, so you'll be eligible for some designs in which you can actually sell, so that will be an extra fee for you. So but of course there are still a lot of designs in which you can actually get for free on this Canva platform. So you can see YouTube channel art, resume, infographics, just like what I said back then. So professional resumes, LinkedIn banner. So there are a lot of designs. Photo collage, website banner, business cards, poster, landscape, simple presentation, just what I mentioned back then. So invitation, version logos, YouTube intros, I just mentioned that one too. So book cover, menus, animated logos. So there are lots of designs in which you can just pick up. It just depends on how you understand how this thing works. Understand? So I'll just advise you, if you don't have any idea on how to design or how these things works, I'll just advise you to just go on YouTube and search based on what you want to learn. Maybe you want to learn about how to design animated logo on Canva, so just input the keyword there. Then there are a bunch of videos that you'll be able to see. Then watch the video from the beginning to an end so that you understand how everything works. So you see, this is Instagram ads designs. So Insta cards, proposals, Facebook videos, Twitter posts, food, Instagram posts. There are a lot of designs. Seriously, there are a lot of designs. Just click on the one you want to design and then edit to your buyer's taste or to your own personal taste. Then just click on download and everything will be on your PC, on your mobile phone. So there is also a mobile app for Canva, so in which you can actually use to design and then download to your mobile phone. So everything just depends on what you want to do. So you can see here there is 53 templates here in which you can just choose from. You can see here, you can see here, just click edit to your own taste, then download it. It's as simple as that. So I want the design to load so you can see how to edit, and of course it's very, very simple. So you can see here, then input any words you want to put, then just double click on every part that you think you want to edit, so then edit it. You can see here I can also add background color to it, background color of my choice. So you can see, so that's how every other designs are. So, and if you would like to upgrade your package from free package to a pro account, so you can proceed from here. So you see the price that they do charge for a pro account. Let me check. Okay, so here you see this is yearly package and this is monthly package. So it just depends on the one you want, and of course you will definitely make your money back if you purchase the pro account. But I'll just advise you, if you want to purchase the pro account, so just start with the free account first. Then after you think that you have made a lot of money, then you can purchase the pro account, then increase your price on the Fiverr marketplace. So I think I explained much on what you are actually looking for in this video. So you can give it a price on Fiverr, you can give it any price you want, but I'll just advise you to just start first, because these things are actually free. So you can just start from $5, $10, $15, something like that. So, and of course, before you know, you'll be making your money out of it. So it just depends on how you place yourself, or how you design your account so that it should look professional. So that's what I have for you in this video, and seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching.